In this video, I'm going to show you how to IP ban someone in Discord. Have you ever had someone in your community whose presence becomes harmful or disruptive? Discord gives moderators a solid set of tools to handle this, and banning is one of the most effective. I'll walk you through the process, step by step, plus give you some tips on when and how to use it responsibly. Before we get started, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's get started. First, head to the Discord website or open the desktop app and log in. Enter the email associated with your account, then your password. Remember, it's case sensitive. If you've forgotten it, you can reset it, but that's a topic for another video. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Discord homepage, showing your servers and DMs. Select the server where you need to take action. Keep in mind, you'll need the right permissions, specifically ban members, which is usually reserved for server owners and admins. Now, find the user you want to ban, either in the member list or the chat. Right-click on their username to open the context menu and select Ban. You'll then be prompted to choose a reason for the ban. This step is optional, but it's good practice. It helps you and other moderators keep track of why action was taken. You can pick a preset reason or write your own. Finally, confirm by clicking Ban again. That's it. The user is now removed from your server and can't rejoin with that same account. A quick note on what this does and doesn't do. This removes the user's access using their current account, but it doesn't block their IP address. That's not something Discord exposes to server moderators. If someone is determined to come back, they could potentially create a new account. So a ban isn't always a permanent solution on its own. A few tips before you go reaching for the ban button. Consider whether a warning or a temporary mute might solve the problem first. Open communication can often resolve issues without needing to ban anyone. And make sure your server rules and consequences are clearly posted so everyone knows what's expected. Banning is a simple process, but it's a serious tool. Use it thoughtfully to keep your community healthy and welcoming. That's it. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with other server owners and mods. See you in the next one.